Hello everyone, and welcome to this edition of Top 10 with Alex. Today I'm pleased to let you know that we have a special guest chef. Please welcome Clarence. Today, we are going to be making the 7th item on our list of top 10 easy and interesting meals, and I think you'll enjoy this one. It is a great substitute for traditional bread and has the added benefit of being low in carbohydrates. So, I'll now turn it over to Clarence to walk you through it.
Hello there. Today I've got a recipe for a unique bread that's light, fluffy, and aptly named cloud bread. This bread is a great option if you're looking for something that's low-carb, gluten-free, or just want to try something new and interesting. You just need basic kitchen equipment to make this bread. You'll need your oven, a hand mixer, some mixing bowls, measuring spoons, a baking sheet, spatula, parchment paper, and of course oven mitts. Let's dive into the ingredients. You'll need just a few things to make this bread. First up, you'll need 3 eggs, which we'll be separating. You'll also need 3 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, which will give the bread a nice creaminess. To help the bread rise, we'll be using 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Finally, we have 1 tablespoon of honey, which is optional but adds a nice touch of sweetness. To start, preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 150 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, separate the egg whites from the yolks and place them in separate bowls. Using an electric mixer, beat the egg whites and cream of tartar together until stiff peaks form. This will take a few minutes, but keep at it until the mixture is thick and fluffy. In a separate bowl, beat the egg yolks, cream cheese, and honey, if using, until smooth and creamy. Then, gently fold the egg yolk mixture into the egg whites until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. We want to keep the airiness in the mixture that will give our bread that cloud-like texture. Next, spoon the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, making 6 to 8 round mounds. The mounds will spread out a bit as they bake, so make sure to leave enough space between them. Pop the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the cloud bread is golden brown and fully cooked. Once the bread is done baking, take it out of the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before serving. And that's it, you've got yourself a batch of delicious cloud bread. Enjoy it as is or use it as a sandwich bread substitute. It's a versatile and unique bread that's sure to be a hit.
Thank you, Clarence, that looks unique and tasty. A full list of ingredients and instructions is in the description below. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.